My name is Brandy McClain. I'm lead man over the millroom here at Vanleigh. I'm responsible for making sure that everyone has everything that they need, all their materials throughout the day, as well as making sure that they have fun and they enjoy coming in to do their job every day, making sure that they're safe and they're happy while they're here. If my team is happy, then they're putting out better product. They're putting out better product for the next person down the line, and they're putting out better product for the folks that buy our RVs. What impresses me most about Vanleigh and working here is the fact that our products are always evolving. They're always becoming better. There's always something new out there. And it's a great atmosphere. They're great people to work for, Van and Lee. They care about their employees. They treat us like family. They treat us with respect. The quality of our wood is very important, and we use high quality wood to make our products because we only want the best. We eyeball and put our hand on every single piece of wood in here, and we're not going to send anything out with a blemish. If it's not perfect, it's not going to leave these doors. We are our own quality control. Everyone that goes through here makes sure that they do not send a bad product out to, as we like to say, our neighbor, which eventually becomes our customer. Every little detail is handmade. Everything that goes out these doors we create right here with our own two hands. There's no prefab. There's none of that. We do every little nook and cranny, every little detail. We do that here. It's all homemade. I'm super excited for this company because I have watched it grow. I have been a part of this for the last couple of years, and I'm beyond excited because I not only see the Tiffin's dream, I believe in their dream. And I know that it's going to be wonderful. This place is going to explode one day. It's going to be huge because we do have the best RV on the market, bar none. You can look around. We really do have the best RV.